Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Tech Visionary, your go-to channel for the latest in innovative technology. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of drones, and the spotlight is on DJI Mini 5 Pro, the highly anticipated addition to DJI's renowned Mini series. The DJI Mini series is synonymous with compact, user-friendly drones that deliver impressive performance without breaking the bank. The sub-250G weight class has been a defining feature of the series, allowing users in many regions to fly these drones without needing special licenses. Better low-light performance. A larger sensor captures more light, delivering stunning shots even in challenging lighting conditions. Sharper image quality. Expect richer details and improved clarity, perfect for landscape photography and aerial videography. Enhanced dynamic range. The Mini 5 Pro might focus on improving color accuracy and depth rather than simply increasing the pixel count, which aligns with DJI's emphasis on delivering professional-grade results. AI-driven features have become a key selling point in drones, and the Mini 5 Pro is expected to push the boundaries further. Advanced object tracking. Improved tracking capabilities could allow the drone to follow fast-moving subjects like vehicles or athletes with precision. Another rumored feature is the inclusion of 5G connectivity, a game-changer for real-time drone operations. Smoother live feeds. Expect sharper, more stable live video transmission to your smartphone or controller. DJI typically follows an annual release cycle for its Mini series, and if history repeats itself, the Mini 5 Pro could launch around November 2024. As for pricing, the Mini 4 Pro debuted at around $759, and with the rumored upgrades, the Mini 5 Pro might see a slight increase. The DJI Mini 5 Pro promises to build on the success of its predecessors while addressing user demands for better performance and smarter features. It may not revolutionize the drone market, but it could set a new standard for mini drones. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech. See you in the next video.